Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a new plan here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a new plan in Microsoft Planner is a simple process that can help streamline organization and collaboration for various scenarios. So once you are logged into your account here in Microsoft Planner, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the My Plan section. You see, I have already created a plan earlier, and the name is Steve Labs. For you to be able to create a new plan, all you're gonna do is go to the upper right corner where you can see the new plan. There's going to be a plus button. All you have to do is click on it. When you do that, you would be given two options. You can create a new plan, starting with a basic, start with a list and board, or if you want to use any of these amazing templates, like a simple plan, project management, software development, business plan, and employee onboarding, you are welcome to do that. But for now, I'm going to choose new plan to basically create a new plan. I'm gonna click on the plus button. When creating a new plan, you might want to type the title for this or the name of the plan that you're creating. You can add to your pinned plans if you want, and you can add to a group if you have already done it. Now we have a separate video on how to create a group here in Microsoft Planner, and from there all you're gonna do is create. Wait for it while things are being set up for you, and from here all you're gonna do is create a new task, add task. If you want to add a new bucket, you can also do that. You have four views here. You can use the board where you can add new bucket. You can also use the schedule if you wanted to have like a timeline of the task that you wanted to be accomplished. All right. You can use the chart to better facilitate team collaborations by providing a shared space for task management and updates. And of course, the better view is going to be the grid view, wherein you can add a label here, right? Doing a label, for example, this, you can edit this actually. Press enter, you see that? That's going to be the, Now, doing all of these, you can improve transparency by allowing team members to see who was responsible for each task, because the assignment you can add when you go to the board. You can, matter of fact, click on the open details, all right? You can put in an assignee for this specific task, so you can manage individual tasks and prioritize work. You can put in the priority if it's urgent, important, medium, or low, and the progress if it's started already or you had been completed, and you can set also a due date. You can also add notes if you want and add a checklist for this item. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.